Okay, so this is where the body section is, and that's where everything that you see is built and put together and added. And we start on almost every single page with a header section. The header section on this page, like we said before, contains the title, the list of links, the image, and the paragraph about what's going on. So, how does it happen? Header becomes its own section. It's the same as creating a div, which is just a section on a web page. Then we add our H1 title to the page, which pops up as my first DGen tutorial. I could change it to Solana College Lesson 1. And it will pop up at the top as Solana College Lesson 1. Now, in our nav bar, which is currently just a nav list, we open up a nav element, close the nav element down at the bottom. It opens up by itself, closes by itself. If we type nav and hit tab, it gives us both the open and close. We just have to hit enter, and it gives us everything we need to create within it, which is where we will put our UL, so unordered list, and that gives us the option to have a list like this on a page. And the way we add to the list is we add list items with this LI element, and we make them clickable with this A element, which we can edit by within here. Let's just call this college bio, and it'll change on the page. And then what we're doing and on the page, meet here, stop here, and that'll all show up. And all of these list elements are added in the same way, and that is the same throughout all HTML documents. And like I said before, that nav element is now closed, and we can add in this image through this figure element. Figure element's the easiest way to put it on the page and control it and do what you want with it, and also add captions for people to see. So we start with the figure element, and then we add our image and link to our image, and set the width and the height of it. We give it a title, an alt. This is just best practices for coding to allow users to see or hear or be told what's going on if they have any kind of disability that prevents them from seeing or hearing in a regular way. And then we have our figure caption, which is going to be displayed underneath the image, and we can edit that to just say Solana College and Arts. And that will close off our header section and give us everything that we see in the top part of the page.